Yes, you saw that right. I failed BITSAT 2024. Well, this is not a clarification video कि मैं क्यों नहीं कर पाया. I tried my best, gave my 200%. ये सारे fake excuses नहीं, बल्कि I'm going to tell you the mistakes I made, which ruined my preparation, so that you can avoid them and strategize your preparation in a way so that you can achieve your dream college, BITS Pilani, with your dream branch. Now think of yourself as an athlete running a 10-kilometer marathon. You have already given so many exams, boards, JEE, state exams, private exams, that you are fed up now. You're tired and you want a vacation. Well, this was the main problem with me. Well, I was so tired and did not even feel like studying at that time. You're trying to find every excuse not to study and let the dream of you being a BITS student slip away. Well, it is up to you now if you want to regret these days all your life or remember them forever, because this opportunity is not coming back anytime soon. The next challenge is to identify which stage of preparation are you at. Good preparation. If you have completed 90 to 100% of your syllabus, then your entire focus should be on solving PYQs and giving mock tests. Not giving mock test papers is one of the big blunders that people usually do, and मैंने भी यही गलती की थी. The mock test series which I was using were irrelevant to BITSAT, and जब actual paper देखा तो वो कुछ और ही था. So I don't want this to happen with you. That's why I want to tell you about Crackit mock test. The mock test made by 30 plus BITSians and IITians, and when I saw these questions in test, I really wished कि अगर ये last year मेरे पास होते तो I would have definitely scored well in BITSAT. Moreover, after purchasing these mocks, you will get free mentorship from BITSians itself who crack these exams. आपको analysis तो मिलेगा ही, but साथ में personalized plan भी मिलेगा from BITSians. This can be a game-changing opportunity for you all. Also, fill in the Google form in the description to get access to Crackit free mentorship community, and also check out Crackit test series. This single decision can help you crack BITSAT 2025 because already a lot of students have taken advantage of it. Average preparation. If you have already completed 70 to 80% of the syllabus, then guys, it's time to get activated, because guys, you have come so far and you don't want to return empty-handed from here. Your plan from here should be to divide your leftover time into different sections. The first one is where you watch lectures for the leftover chapters, and इसके लिए तुम्हें एक हफ्ता या उससे कम लगना चाहिए, because टाइम बहुत कम है और तुम्हें ये थोड़ा पहले ही कर लेना चाहिए था. इन्हीं lectures के साथ साथ you have to solve basic questions and also make short notes which you can revise later. And after this, directly jump to the PYQs, and तुम्हें PYQs last day तक करने हैं, and सारी चीजें खत्म होना is not possible. So for the first attempt, I think your major focus should be on the high weightage and the important chapters. And PYQs करने के बाद तुम्हें at least exam से 2 से 3 दिन पहले कम से कम 3 से 4 mock test तो देने ही देने हैं. This will help you analyze your preparation and also take an estimate about कि तुम्हारे इस attempt में कितने marks आने वाले हैं, and are you going to qualify for the exam or not. So you can do better in the next attempt. Low preparation. Well, at this point, if you haven't prepared anything, or maybe if you have prepared a small portion of the syllabus, then honestly, it's going to be a bit tough for you to get a very high score in the first attempt. And maybe first attempt तुम्हारे लिए सिर्फ एक checkpoint होगा, so as you know how to tackle your real battle, which is the June attempt. So you can start by watching one-shot lectures and making short notes, which will take you approximately 10 to 12 days minimum. And हाँ, तुम्हें सारे चैप्टर्स तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं करने हैं, बल्कि सिर्फ उन्हीं चैप्टर्स पे फोकस करना है जो कि तुम्हारे बहुत हाई वेटेज के हैं या फिर वो तुम्हारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाले हैं. बिकॉज गाइस, टाइम इज लेफ्ट. यू हैव टू यूटिलाइज इट इन अ वे दैट यू आर मोस्ट प्रोडक्टिव, एंड जो भी तुम अपनी प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो उससे यू गेट अ मैक्सिमम स्कोर. बिकॉज गाइस, टाइम इज वेरी लेस, एंड दैट प्रोडक्टिव एंड एफिशिएंट प्रिपरेशन लीड्स टू अ हाई स्कोर. एंड लेक्चर्स देखने के बाद यू जस्ट डायरेक्टली हैव टू जंप टू PYQs and maybe give a few mock tests. And it is quite important for you to give the first attempt, because first attempt will make you realize कि तुम्हारा June attempt कैसा आने वाला है. A lot of time it happens कि तुम्हारा first attempt और second attempt के paper pattern में और paper difficulty level में बहुत difference होता है. और अगर तुम first attempt देते हो, so you know what speed you have to maintain and how you can consistently solve questions for the next 3 hours. And ये first attempt देकर तुम्हारे जितने भी marks आए उसको बिल्कुल भी दिमाग से निकाल देना और उसके बारे में बिल्कुल मत सोचना. You don't have to demotivate yourself because तुम्हारे first attempt में अच्छे नहीं है. So there are some YouTube channels which I used to watch, and a lot of my friends in IITs and BITS also used to watch, which helped them get a good hold on the entire syllabus in short amount of time. So for maths, you can follow Vedantu ke one-shot lectures by Arvind Kalia sir. These lectures are quite easy to understand and fun at the same time. And मेरे को जब भी क्लास में कुछ समझ नहीं आता था तो मैं घर पे आके इन्हीं के lectures देखता था. For physics, you can follow anyone, Vedantu, Unacademy, Physics Wala, whichever you understand better, or even Physics Galaxy lectures by Ashish Arora sir. Even though these lectures are a bit on the JEE Advanced side, I think they will help you get more conceptual clarity. And for chemistry, you can follow Pankaj sir's old lecture, especially for organic and inorganic chemistry. And for physical chemistry, you can follow Unacademy JEE. अब लेक्चर तुम कोई भी देखो, आखिर में हर चीज तुम पे ही डिपेंड करती है। तुम्हें वो लेक्चर नहीं देखना है जो बेस्ट है, तुम्हें वो लेक्चर देखना है जो तुम्हें सबसे ज्यादा समझ आता हो। एंड इसी के साथ साथ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज रीडिंग द NCERT, स्पेशली फॉर केमिस्ट्री। NCERT तुम्हारी किसी भी कॉन्सेप्ट की अंडरस्टैंडिंग को 2x कर देती है एंड किसी भी टॉपिक को इन डेप्थ समझने के लिए वो बहुत हेल्प करती है। तो अगर तुमने NCERT अच्छे से पढ़ी है तो केमिस्ट्री तो तुम्हारे बाएं हाथ का खेल है। नाउ लेट्स फोकस ऑन अ फ्यू इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स। आफ्टर 2022 द BITSAT पेपर हैज चेंज्ड अ लॉट एंड द डिफिकल्टी लेवल ऑफ द एग्जाम हैज इंक्रीज्ड। एंड ऐसे में mindlessly solving PYQs won't help you. You need help from people who have analyzed the paper properly and know in and out of BITSAT. So here, Crackit free guidance community will help you a lot, where you can take guidance from experts and practice accordingly. A lot of questions in physics will be formula based. You don't have to spend a lot of time there. Just remember the formula and apply it in the question and you're done. So at this point, it becomes very important for you to focus more on the high weighted chapters. And looking at the previous trends, in physics, the most important chapters are heat and thermodynamics, magnetism, electrostatics, SHM, wave optics and fluids. In chemistry, high weighted chapters are chemical bonding, biomolecules, P block, mole concept, electrochemistry and thermodynamics. And in mathematics, the most high-weighted chapters are circles, vectors, continuity and differentiability, differential equations, complex numbers, and binomial theorem. BITSAT is like a race with hurdles, and you have to keep moving forward. You don't have to think too much and just keep attempting the question, as every second counts. And you have to make sure that you don't waste it. 130 questions in 3 hours is a very tough job. So if you get stuck anywhere, you have to make sure that you skip that question and move forward. And जब तुम्हारा पेपर खत्म हो जाएगा, तुम वापस आकर इस क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हो। And again, BITSAT is not like JEE. You don't have to go in depth of every topic and every question. You don't have to be as smart as Einstein to attempt this paper, but be more like an averagely smart Usain Bolt to crack it. When you're attempting the questions, don't just aim to solve them, but handle them smartly. The RAP method is a strategic 3-step approach to boost your speed and accuracy. R for rule out. Start by eliminating the options you are confident are incorrect. This instantly narrows down your choices and increases the chances of selecting the right one. A for assume. Make intelligent trial assumptions. Well, this isn't about random guessing. It's more like using relevant concepts to test whether the given option is correct or not. P for plot. Well, in some cases, a quick sketch or visual interpretation can help you solve the question faster than the traditional methods. Use graphs or diagrams when they can give you a shortcut to the answer. And ये techniques सिर्फ BITSAT के लिए नहीं, ये सारे competitive exams के लिए valid हैं. And especially उन questions के लिए where you get stuck and feel that you won't be able to solve this question. But in reality, these questions are really easy. So to summarize all this, you just have to recognize your stage of preparation, prioritize smart practice, use the right resources, apply smart exam strategies, and stay motivated. So this all is sufficient for you to crack BITSAT 2025. So do check out Crackit mock test series. I have already attached their website link in the description and also the Google form to join their free mentorship community, where you can find the right guidance to crack BITSAT and get into your dream college. Till then, stay motivated, share this video with your friends if you find this helpful, and till then, stay tuned.